jumped on that ride now to have a virtual experience as well.
Well, I'll tell you something. You can take it there. You can take it anywhere. I'll tell you. Oh, New York, New York.
Yeah, you can go on that ride with virtual experience goggles on now.
Oh yeah. Lovely. Can you see? Bloody sunshine.
He's been watching Storage Wars. You ready? There's another one starting. Let's get out before you get into it.
Oh, I want to see if I've got the crap out of my phone. Yeah, it's working now.
Yeah?
It's like 16%. Lucky the old fruities have got chargers on them, haven't they?
He's not been able to charge his phone because he takes his phone to work and he gets it covered in dust and cement. Same as the wallet I got you for your birthday.
That's what you get for being a roughy toughy worker.
Roughy toughy.
We've got everything.
We got everything. Are we recording?
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Yeah, like that.
People have never seen us walking down a hallway before, have
They
they?
see us all the time walking down the hallway.
Can't you get me in? You cut my head off again. What are you doing?
We've been chilling in our room for the last 2 hours. I was going to sort my suitcase out, but I got...
Your shirt's popped open when I'm trying to walk on the floor.
Well, you're acting like an idiot.
Yeah, look at the shirt. It's wicked, look, watch.
Money owns this town.
Are you videoing?
I am.
You recording?
I am.
We're going down to gamble. Hopefully we'll go home with some money.
What way? Oh, why they shut the door? That's confusing. That's confusing.
It's a little bit.
Right, what are we doing? Where are we going? Who are we talking to?
I fancy a little bit of Ghostbusters.
I fancy a little bit of Ghostbusters.
What are you gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
See?
Jim?
Jim down there?
It's the
I think there's
pole.
Jim on that bike down there anyway. I'll tell him about my mate Lenny. We went to Australia, went to Bonsai Beach, went out swimming in the sea, and the Coast Guard was shouting, "Get out of the sea, there's sharks!" The shark swam out the water, swallowed him whole, and spat him back out straight away. And then when Lenny came back into the shore, the Coast Guard went, "I see that, the shark put you in his mouth and spat you out straight away. Weren't you scared?" He went, showed the lifeguard a tattoo on his arm saying Swansea to win the Premiership. He said, "I weren't scared. Not even the shark's going to swallow that, is it?"
Should have said the team that my brother supports.
Ah, no. They've done brilliantly, Swansea. When I first started working down there, they were in the, like 3 divisions lower. They made it all the way up to the Premiership.
Are we going on Ghostbusters first? Or do you want to go on that random win one?
Go on, your random win one.
Yeah?
This machine, amazing, because it just randomly chucks out progressives.
I know.
Just like a lightning thing, you don't have to get anything on the screen.
No. This one. We've been playing this on and off for the last few days to try and get free games. We've just got free games.
You might not pay anything, but it's fun
Why
anyway,
not?
isn't it?
But it is cool. I like this
Press
one.
the button to start the feature, ready?
Okay. There's 12 free games. You want to re-trigger?
Oh, that's $3 straight
That's
away.
not bad.
Yeah.
You want to win a progressive within
a
the free
random
game.
progressive would be nice, wouldn't it?
Triple
seven, yes.
Oh, what's that?
$64.
$64.
Oh my god.
This is such a cool game.
$69.
Oh wow.
There's 106 in there now.
Yeah, this is our gambling fund topped up. Another dollar. How many more games have we got? 7. How many games have we got?
Random progressive would be good, wouldn't it?
6 or 12.
Random progressive, come on.
We want the purple one or the red one. It's 140. How much we put in? We put 50 in, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we were going to gamble 20.
Wow.
7 or 12. We've got 5 more free games.
So anybody sees the machine, have a go on it. It's in the Luxor.
It's right next to the pyramid calf.
Alright,
Oh.
Oh, you're getting over 12 games if that re-triggers.
Yeah. I want the triple diamonds again.
How many more games?
11.
2 more games.
2 more goes.
Oh, $1.80 on top of that.
Yeah.
Last go.
Last go.
Oh, how exciting, eh? We love winning.
No.
I don't know, do I have to press the button? Will it play on this? I'll press the button.
Press
eh?
the button, yeah.
Oh, re-trigger, come on.
That would have been fun.
Well, that's lovely. Should we have a couple of backup spins?
A couple of backup spins. We'll do a couple of live backup spins. Down to 110.
Yep.
Go on then.
We're going to get a live play free games.
Live play, free play.
Do a little random bonus now, random progressive.
Yep. Oh, 150. That's giving us another go. Oh.
Right, cash in out at $110.
Lovely jubbly.
But you would have given me an extra $1 to carry on playing.
I know.
We like this bit, don't we? This is, it's like you're in a tomb, isn't it? In an Egyptian tomb or something.
It's just really pretty, especially with all the lights changing.
Yeah.
And stop. Lovely little win.
In. Go.
Gonna hold it?
Do I want to hold it? I should be saying that to you. Sorry. So I carry on filming.
We're now on our way to the Excalibur.
People keep asking her if she's married to me. And she gets upset, she says, do I look that unhappy?
Yeah, so we're now going to the Excalibur because we actually haven't done much gambling other than Wizard of Oz.
I got stuck into watching Storage Wars in the room. I'm a nutter for it. She goes, hey, you know who's going to get the storage units? It's only them 4 that are on the camera.
I can't stand it. I really don't like it.
I love it. I can switch my brain off and sit there going, yeah.
The more superstitious you get with gambling.
So we've just gone in the shop that sells dragons and everything, and as you walk past, the sensor goes off and it goes and Emily thinks it's hilarious. It sounds like my belly. So we even rubbed a dragon for luck.
Yeah.
And we're not even
Keep
Chinese, because the Chinese think dragons are for luck, don't they?
Yeah. Do you know what? You are actually difficult to film.
What? Because I keep swinging away like this?
Yeah.
Well, you do know where the word cockney comes from, don't you?
Yeah.
That's why we swing side to side. That's just a random spin, wasn't it?
Was that 3 spins in?
Yeah. I don't know how much you won.
I don't know, but most of it was wild, wasn't it?
This, or do you want me to press the button?
Press the button.
Ready?
Yeah. $12. Nice evening at Excalibur.
Oh, this shirt's doing my head in.
We got a few bonuses, but we don't like putting anything on if it's under $20 now, because you just end up filling your vlog with loads and loads of bonuses that are under $20.
Yeah.
We put the Buffalo Revolution one in, because I like that one. And we had two ladies next to us that they kept winning. They were betting 75 cents and they kept getting the bonuses.
Yeah, they were like glamorous women.
Yeah.
Glamorous women. I don't know, I wouldn't like to say their age. They're older than us.
Yeah.
But they look very glamorous. Like
Yeah.
they've gone out to
Have fun.
old Vegas, you know.
Yeah.
People used to dress up and really look glamorous for a night out.
Yeah.
They were really nice girls, weren't they?
Yeah. So yeah, been at Excalibur. Now going to go back to the Luxor and get a bit of pizza. See how we feel. If you want to do a little bit more gambling in the Luxor, get a few drinks.
Pizza. And then I'll be like this. That'd be the belly flop of home.
And tomorrow we go home. We managed to get late checkout, so we check out at 3 o'clock tomorrow. The normal time is 11 o'clock, but I called up this evening and asked, and for $75, which is quite expensive really, but it's a Saturday night, and it's the night of the Porn Star Awards, so I kind of expected not to get one at all.
Well, I think what they did, they looked at your tier points and they've gone, this woman's got gambling fever. If we keep her in the hotel, she'll lose another shirt.
Yeah, we have gambled loads.
Lucky we've won, isn't it?
Yeah.
Otherwise we would have been well skinned.
Yeah.
Because we've been gambling like crazy people.
We have. So, probably tomorrow's one will probably be a quick one. Tomorrow's one will probably be a quick vlog, because we're just going to chill out in the room in the morning, go to the gym, have something to eat, and then go to the airport. So we'll keep it quick for you, because some people get bored of the airport travelling, some people don't.
I can video me watching storage wars if you want.
No. But we've decided we're going to come back in May. We haven't decided what hotel yet. We're going to see what happens with once all the points are on our account, see what offers we get offered.
Excalibur looks really good.
Yeah, at the moment Excalibur's a bargain. So at the moment we're swinging to Excalibur. We quite like the hotel anyway, so it'd be nice to give it a go.
Yeah, it'd be lovely.
So yeah, we'll see you in a little while with our pizza.
It always looks dark. Because it is dark.
It is now.
But it always looks dark even in the day, because the windows are frosted, isn't it?
So hopefully you enjoyed these vlogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.
We won't do the airport bit, because I want to cry when I leave it. I don't feel upset.
It's always quite depressing, isn't it, sitting at the airport?
Yeah. Unless we win big at the airport.
However,
we might show you.
but all the other times we go to the airport, we haven't got our next trip booked. This time we actually purchased our tickets in the Virgin Zone.
Yeah, so we won't be sad, will we? We know we're coming back.
We know we're coming back in 4 months.
If we subscribe, our numbers will go up and we'll go even more. We know we don't sound good. Are you recording?
Not yet.
You are recording, you fibber, aren't you?
Oh, I am recording. Get down. Sit down.
I knew
didn't
you was
realise
recording. I knew you was recording.
I sound like I was telling you off then.
Sorry, I was doing me free tissue raw.
I was trying to get Excalibur in the background.
One up, one down, one to buff. Hold on. Messed my ear up, I was straining so much.
We're back in the room.
And we're back in the room.
We've just had a pizza and it was beautiful.
Look in the eyes and not around the eyes. And we're back in the room.
He's got Storage Wars on again.
Oh, am I? Oh, I just didn't change the channel. I don't know why.
We, on our way to get the pizza, we had a bit of a gamble on Big Bang Theory, won a couple of line hits, but nothing really to vlog about, really.
We're not going to put in what we won earlier in the week, so we're going to go home and we can afford another trip.
Yeah.
So.
And we've decided next one is in Excalibur. We're going to stay at the Excalibur for a week. I like the hotel. I like the buffet.
I've never been in the room, so I don't know.
But I like the feel of the whole hotel.
Yeah, it feels
it's
nice.
lovely.
Yeah, we've run quite well in there as well.
Yeah. So yeah, that's where we're going to stay in May. This is our last night. We've got a flight tomorrow at 9 p.m. So it's sad. It's now over.
You can see Excalibur in the background. Look.
Yeah, look at that.
Looks like a Disney hotel on the outside, doesn't it? And it's
Yeah.
all stone looking inside, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's
it's
nice,
cool.
yeah.
It's cool. We don't know what we're going to do for breakfast tomorrow. We're going to decide, have a bit of lay-in, go to the gym.
Yeah, we just had a pizza, so I've got to work that off.
Yeah, got to work that off. And then when we get back, it's starvation, diet, training.
Yeah, we had the pizza upstairs in Luxor. Lovely pizza, it's well worth eating.
Yeah, definitely.
Well worth buying, I mean.
Yeah.
I suppose you've got to pay for it before you eat it.
Yeah. So we're going to chill out in the room now on our last night rather than keep gambling. We're at a point now that if...
I don't know what she's doing with the camera. She's getting me out of shot.
We're at a point now, if we carried on gambling, we would start gambling away our wins.
Yeah, and we can't do that. No.
No,
What do
so-
you gain from that? Fatter, thinner, taller, smaller, better posture?
So we can take them home and bring them back with us next time in May. So we hope you enjoyed the vlogs. We hope you enjoyed today, even though there wasn't that many bonuses to put in.
And don't forget, if you don't subscribe, we think you're not interested in watching
And we
it.
just won't do anymore.
We will. You ain't getting rid of us that easy.
And we'll see. We'll put a little bit of the airport and travelling.
But not too much, because
No.
it's depressing. We get depressed, and it's hard to be positive when you're going home to the winter.
I know.
Yeah.
But-
Well, anyway,
We'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the vlogs.
and I'll get a few more jokes for next time.
Subscribe.
Right, love you, bye.
Love you. Bye. Morning.
Hi.
We're both sad. Today's the last day. Well, the last, not even full day. Our flight takes off at 9 o'clock tonight.
No, we're not going to be sad because everyone gets sad on the last day. We're going to be happier.
We're now going to go for breakfast. Today I'm going to get my bagel.
Babe,
Yeah, bagel.
they've got a hole in them. You're paying for an hole.
Yeah, I know.
Get
Tastes
a roll.
amazing.
A roll's fully rolled, full of food. You're
No, I
buying
want
a
a
bagel.
bagel.
You're paying for a hole.
Well, you have a roll and I'll have a bagel.
That's ridiculous.
Not I was going to check in, but I don't know how heavy my luggage is. And you get an option to pick 1 or 2 bags.
You ain't bought anything, though.
I have bought some heavy shoes though.
Got a pair of DM.
Yeah, and I can't wear them because my heels hurt.
We've got a bottle of gin. That's it.
And presents.
Oh, some boots and things for Joe and them.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of
Yeah,
weight.
yours was light anyway. Yours is always
Yeah.
light. Mine's full of makeup. I got more makeup.
Not much of that. We would come here a lot. You just don't end up buying anything, do you?
No. No, I'm fully stocked for makeup.
I was reading on it or something.
Sorry. Was us pressing the button.
Oh, makes a difference.
Oh, are you trying to go up?
Yeah.
Oh, this automatically, because when you come in, you see the light. It's where it's heading to
There you go, live
first.
and learn.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, I think it's a
okay.
green one you need to wait for. But now it'll go up.
Now it'll go.
Yeah. Have a good day. I've done that. We've done that loads.
I'm getting ready.
Yeah, got in the wrong way.
Thanks, getting the wrong way. Fancy going labour. Can't do it this time of year.
We can't do it this time of year, but can in May.
Because we haven't done it, I fancy doing it now.
Do you? I always think when we're here on our last day, when like in the summer, and we maybe not go by the pool, I always think, oh, I'm going to regret it. I'm not going to be by a pool again for a long time. breathe it all in. Last time until we come back in February, March, April. 4 months.
Yeah. 4 months.
And 4 months flies by. Got my,
We'll be back here before we know it.
got my birthday in between. 21 again.
Must be a fortune our birthdays.
What do you get with my birthday?
Can't remember.
It's usually something that I need, not that I want.
Something that you normally buy me something that you like.
Yeah. Well, I think if I
Hotel
buy
stay.
you,
You buy me a hotel stay.
yeah. I bought you a lovely wallet one year that you've ruined.
1 year, we decided not to buy each other presents. Christmas and birthdays, we ended up staying in the Shard.
Yeah. And he said, he goes, all right then, we can book one night. So what did I do? I booked 2.
2 nights in the Shard.
Just as it opened.
It cost us so much we had to have McDonald's for dinner downstairs.
No, we had McDonald's for dinner downstairs because our room was so lovely. We were contemplating going out for a really nice meal. There's a restaurant not far from there.
Plus we were skinned.
And we were sick, but I said, shall we just have McDonald's so we can spend the whole evening in the room? We felt like we were sitting on a cloud. It was beautiful.
It was lovely taking you up the Shard, wasn't it?
And then Paris turned up with she was there with her mum. We said rather than pay to go to the viewing platform,
Yeah, pop up and stay to
have a
our
look in
room.
our room.
Yeah, look out, because it's so high up.
Yeah.
See the whole of London, it's like sitting on a cloud.
Yeah, it's lovely. Love that hotel. Had breakfast.
Yes, lovely. We had a buffet again. Oh, last day buffet. Last day buffet, and it's a surprise buffet as well. We sort of, Emily surprised me with saying yes to a buffet on the last day.
So I didn't get my egg bagel, but I got loads of egg and potatoes and bacon and sausages. Until next time. I forgot to mention, last night there was an earthquake.
Yeah, well, it wasn't massive, like knocking things over.
No, it was weird though. We were sitting in our room and I was sitting on the sofa and I was convinced Dean was kicking the sofa. And I looked at him and I was just about to have a go at him and he went, did you feel that too?
Yeah, the first time the earth moved for me.
It didn't appear online until about an hour later, and they said that it was a 4.6 magnitude earthquake that happened about 2-hour drive away from here.
Yeah, what's that, San Francisco or something? No, not San Francisco, LA area.
I think that sort of general direction, yeah.
San Andreas Fault up there.
Yeah. It was cool. We had one once in the UK. I was convinced someone was kicking the end of my bed.
Yeah, I was in North London and the sofa felt like there was a dog or something kicking the sofa behind. You know, like, not hard, you know, just like tapping. And it was an earthquake. This one, you think he was in a concrete and steel building, the floor's solid concrete, and he felt like the floor was moving. Like, my buffet's repeating. My face repeating on me. Man has the burp on YouTube. It shows I'm a real man. I should fart as well, really.
That was a
I can't believe I'm that. I tell her a joke, she don't bloody laugh. I burp. She don't stop laughing. I'm going to have to force another one up, aren't I?
Afternoon. One quick look around the room to make sure that we've got everything.
What's going on?
I'm checking that we got everything.
Oh.
There's a mess. Everything looks fine.
What have I done there?
Nothing. And off we go.
Hello everyone. I'm ducking down again.
We've had an amazing holiday. I've loved every minute of it. Have you?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I'm singing.
We come back at the end of May.
Yeah.
So we'll see you then. Hope you enjoyed the vlogs.
Well, you'll see us after we come back because she can't do them while she's on holiday.
No, I don't do them on holiday.
No.
I'm enjoying myself far too much. Yeah, we'll see you in about 4 months.
Yeah. We might even do some more walk-arounds because we'll know a bit more about the hotels and,
Yeah,
and things will be open, then we'll be able to show you the pools and things.
If you've seen the walk-arounds and you like them, and you've got any tips or any areas that you want us to have a check out. I mean, this time we weren't able to have a look at certain pools. Like I said, next time we're going to stay at Excalibur, so we'll be able to show you the Excalibur pool.
We're just learning and we're on our own. We're not part of any groups or clubs or anything else.
No.
We're just
Having fun.
Just documenting
and
our
bringing you with
holiday.
us.
We don't want. We're not turning this into a business or anything. This is just for fun.
Yeah, and we want to bring you with us.
Yeah.
And help you when you come, because we don't want you to make mistakes that we've made. We've made some mistakes that have cost us money, and we don't want you to make them too if you're first time coming to Vegas. So, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting, and thanks for subscribing.
And if you love Vegas, subscribe and you'll see more of it with us.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.